This is a review of Muck Boots. I've had these all winter, so no one's sponsoring me or encouraging me to do this. I just wanted to give a review of these for some folks who may be on the fence of whether to buy them or not. As you can see, it's raining right now. So originally I was apprehensive of buying these. Some people had told me they didn't last very long, and so I didn't want to spend that kind of money on something that didn't last me very long. Ended up finding a good deal on a clearance pair, and so I bought them. And having worn them all winter, here's some of my thoughts. For me, they keep my feet warm to somewhere around 20 degrees Fahrenheit. It gets colder than that. I had to start putting on another pair of socks inside them, but compare that to a normal rubber boot that's not insulated, and yeah, it's a big difference. So from that standpoint, I'm happy with them. In terms of comfort, they're just as comfort as any other work shoes I wear. So I live here on a farm. When it rains, it's wet. When it's wet, there's mud. So I've got always mud to deal with. I've got chickens, and they're, as you know, messy. Cattle, donkeys, I mean, you name it, we got it, and we deal with it here on the farm. Never had my feet get wet with these on. I also do excavation, run an excavator, so I've worn these while I'm sitting on the excavator when it's chilly, and they were comfortable. And of course, you jump off into mud or dirt or whatever, and so I've had these boots for all winter. It's March now, and I think I started wearing them in maybe November. So they look as good now as they did when I pulled them out of the box, and I haven't abused them. And some people probably are harder on shoes than I am. I'm about 140 or 145 pounds, so that makes a difference in terms of the wear on shoes. But I'm happy with them. I'm glad I bought them. I would buy another pair. So again, like I said, just a review to help anyone who's maybe on the fence of whether to buy them or not. I'll show a couple other videos of me walking in mud and whatnot. Thanks for watching.